Hello, my name is Tom Ziegelbauer, and I'll be going over some leadership skills with you today. Today, we're going to be talking about a couple of tips in terms of being a good communicator and a good listener. And one of the things that I believe in is communication and preparation are 100% of success. A lot of times, many tasks and projects will fail due to the lack of communication between a number of stakeholders inside of your company. So what are some ways that we can overcome that? The first one would be practice listening twice as much as you speak. A lot of times people get excited about getting to the end goal very quickly, which sets you off a path which you are likely missing a lot of signals around you and could potentially lead you down a different path or a different way of thinking about the project or concept. Another skill to develop is practicing the ability to decipher and separate the wheat from the chaff. And what do I mean by that? Understanding what is needed versus what people tell you they want. Very important skill. So the practice of balancing driving behaviors around you with balancing driving the art of the possible. And then lastly, emotional intelligence. This is a big topic in today's society, and practice being a communicator when you communicate. What does that mean? Be like a chameleon and adapt to your audience and tap into the things that are important to them personally. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.